Hey guys, so what today I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pranking my friend. I'm going to Skype her and then I'm going to like prank her and say like, oh, this person, like, yeah, and you'll see. So don't mind the background noises, that's just my brothers and sisters being loud as hell. So yeah, let's get on to the video, if it'll work for me. So I'm gonna quickly go and type in her phone number, but you guys can't see it because I don't want to give her thing away. So I'll see you when I'm done. Okay guys, so I switch it to this side. I'm going to, she didn't answer, so I'm just gonna, like figure it out, okay? So Skyping her didn't work, so I'm gonna go down and type in FaceTime, because she has an iPhone and I have this. I will be giving away my email so I can Skype you guys and we can email to each other. So yeah, I will see you when I got it. So that's not working, so I'm gonna have to like go to my Chrome. Guys, you have to subscribe to the Ohana Adventure. They make the funniest and the best YouTube videos ever. So I gotta move this so that I can actually like get to new page. Okay, so we gotta go Hangouts. I'm gonna go onto my account that has all my other friends. So I'm gonna go sign out, sign in, and I'm gonna sign in when I'm ready. Okay, so I'll see you in a minute. But okay, so I'm logged into my other account. I'm not gonna give away this email because this email already has lots of spams. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, and guys, you aren't gonna see this, but like, it's gonna be the best reaction ever. So I'm gonna call my friend Erica. Okay, so I'm gonna move this over here again. I'm gonna do a video call. Guys, this might actually work. First, I have to invite my friend. So, let's go Erica. Okay, I hope it works. I'm gonna be so excited if it does. Okay guys, so the prank is gonna be, I'm gonna say, I don't know. I'm gonna say that my Declan died. So I'm gonna get her to join and I'll be back when she does join. Guys, finger crossed, it works. It's loud. Might work, cross. So she's not answering. I'm gonna keep calling until she answers. So see you in a minute. Guys, she's online. She might answer now. I told her to answer me. She looked at it, but she never. She looked at it, but she never went into it. Like. So hopefully she's gonna answer this time. Please let her answer this time. I'm so mad if she doesn't answer. Please answer. I'm so anxious. One more time, and if she doesn't answer, I'm gonna have to call my other friend. Hello? She's gonna answer. Guys, I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time, 2 more times actually. If she doesn't answer these 2, I'm gonna do it again one more time. Oh my god. I swear to God, if you don't fucking answer, I'll be so pissed. Like, so fucking pissed. I'm scared if she actually answers me. I know you see me calling. One more. If she doesn't answer, I'm gonna kill myself. This has wasted 8 minutes of my time. So pissed. She sees me calling. I know she does. Like, this is what I don't get. One more, and if she doesn't answer, I'm gonna be so mad. Guys, I don't think this is gonna work. She's obviously not answering. You know what? This is gonna be the last time you're gonna see me, so enjoy this if it gets uploaded. Because I'm so mad. Goodbye. Just kidding. I would never do that. Like, my friends never answer me. It's like they hate me. I wonder why. Tree. Oh, they saw me, guys. Fingers crossed they actually answer. Guys, she was eating. Hello?
Hi.
So what are you doing?
Eating.
You're eating?
Was.
Oh. I spam called you 1,000 times.
I'm just looking at how many times you called me.
I know, I'm like, answer now!
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
You called me 10 times?
Yeah?
Well, why did you do this to me? And I got no Katrina's email, but I will do this.
Okay, hold on, don't tell me, okay? What are you doing this weekend?
I'm a Nana Papa's until Saturday.
Oh. So until tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Are you busy this weekend at all?
I asked my mom if you can have sleepovers. That's this year intending.
Okay, I'll go ask my mom in a minute. Okay, I'll be right back.
Down here.
To ask if we could have a sleepover. But she said, yeah, I don't care, but where?
My house, your house. It doesn't matter. I'll ask my mom, though.
Your house? Because it's kind of, you know, you hear it.
It's quieter.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I only have one brother.
Yeah, you're lucky. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. We are outrated by a lot. Okay, so there's one thing I need to. There's one thing.
Awesome.
There's one thing I need to talk to you about.
What?
Declan. Okay. So Declan, you forgot a pair of your underwear here.
Oh God.
So Declan put it on his head, and it was so funny.
Oh yes, he started running around the house screaming.
Here, I'll show up a picture. I'll text you a picture.
No! I wore underwear. I just forgot my earbuds at your house.
You did? Oh yeah, you did.
You did? Yes. Oh yeah, you did.
I just noticed that. After we dropped you off, I'm like, oh no. Okay, I'm just trying to find it now.
Alexa.
Yeah? Go away!
Pardon?
Oh, I was talking to Kinsley. She's like, let me in.
Take nothing, I'm giving up on you. Anywhere I go, I'll always be with you.
You're scary.
Like this. Can I call you on a group chat? OCU and ID?
Yeah, you can hang up now.
Eh.
And then I'll join the group chat. Okay, bye. Oh my god, guys, so it actually worked. Here, I'm gonna add the group chat. I'm gonna break it to her.